Hey everybody, day 2 of going out to check the traps. It's still extremely windy, so I'll know in a minute whether I can do it in a little skiff or not. That's my intention. So here we go. You can see we go from dead calm to a little bit of roughness here at the opening of the canal, and then it looks like there might be a little bit of white water outside of the canal. Let's just go see what we can find. Here we go, coming up onto the first one. Trap number 1, 0. Okay, trap number 2, we've got some life. I don't think those claws are going to be big enough, but we're going to get them measured out anyways, just to find out. There we go. I got him. It's a stone crab. Oh! He just got me. He could definitely reach where I had a hold of him. He just crushed this finger. Wow. So, I'm pretty sure he's too small. But the way you measure them is this side is the crab claw, and that claw has to be bigger. Has to be bigger than that. It is not. You can see he still needs to grow some more. I just tossed him in the water. That one hurt. He got me. Okay, crab trap number 3 has nothing in it. My finger is aching from that first crab though. He just got a hold of my index finger and crunched. They're pretty powerful, even if they're little. Okay, got a female here. It's got a nice sized claw on her. Look at that. Let's measure that claw. The way you do it is you take your crab claw measure here, and she measures out about 1/4 inch bigger. However, I'm not going to harvest her, but I am going to leave her in the trap so she keeps eating. I will eventually let her go because she only has 1 claw, but let's give her a free meal. She'll also put pieces of the bait into the water and more crabs will come. Okay. Here we go, trap number 5. nothing in it. So we'll just drop it right back in the water. Not much today, but it beats sitting on the couch. So let's head on back to the barn. Just enjoying this beautiful day, even though it's too windy. I'm going to convince Arthur to go fishing with me this afternoon. Whether it's in the creek or on the patch reefs, I don't know, but we're going to find out. If you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. Bamboo chicken. If you see it on the menu, that's what it is. Bamboo chicken in the islands.
Beautiful.
Neutral, right?
Yep.
Neutral?
I'll leave it gear like Rodney does.
Yeah.
Trying to pull me out of the pack. But
See, is that crazy
get
though?
that life insurance.
Yeah. You sure there's a trap on the end of that?
Looks like you got a trigger fish.
Well, there's something flopping in there.
All right.
Yeah,
We got a little crab and a trigger fish.
Yeah, a little baby crab.
We're gonna send them. I'll send it out the other side of the boat because the way we're drifting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ain't nothing in it, Jim.
Nothing but pig's feet.
Yeah. And it smells. Smells a little tardy. Did it make it past the motors?
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
Next one.
Is the top
Supposed
up?
to close the top.
Uh-oh.
Stay in there. They freaking.
Is there bait in there?
Yep. Yeah.
You want to put anything that you got in here?
Nope. Somebody opened the top on that one.
Uh-oh.
Oops. Somebody opened the top on that one. They stole my traps. At least that time all they did was steal my crabs.
Could be a big one.
Heavy. Somebody's been in this one too.
Nothing in it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Got a big old stone crab in here.
No claws.
No claws. We'll let them keep eating. Somebody'd open that one too.
Yeah, they're pulling a big one on you.
Yep.
Yep.
One in there.
There you go.
Small one.
It's got a good smell to it.
It's got one claw.
Yeah, it's got two claws.
Huh?
Oh, he's got two claws.
A little
Yeah,
baby
just
one
baby.
growing back. That's when he's growing back his new claw, see it?
Yep. Okay, so here's how you measure these. Go ahead and look in the back so make sure. Here's how you measure these. You put that right up against the edge, and if it touches, and it does, so that's a good claw. So you don't get pinched. You get a hold of both claws and just
Twist
rotate down, and it comes off, breaks off easily. We'll let him stay in there and eat for a few days. All right, we got 4 claws. Look at the size of that one. Huge. Huge, huge claw.
Little baby lobster. Goodness.
Look how cute this thing is. do you think? Make necklace?
Yeah, there you go.
We'll gold plate him. There he goes.
Hey, we're in luck. Bingo.
There you go.
Ooh.
That's a big one.
I think you might have 3 good claws here. Look at the size of this crab. Whew. That claw's too small, so we're just going to take this one here.
Spider crab.
Nope, no, this is some kind of decorator crab. Look at all the stuff he's put on him.
Yeah. Wow. A lot of decorations there.
You need bait here. You got that tied?
I got no bait.
Right here.
You got that tied?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Didn't you have one of those?
Oh, I threw it back.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but what do you want to give him?
There you go. That's good.